Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Mortal Kombat on your Android device. First of all, make sure to check your device's requirements. Make sure that your Android device is running Android 6.0 or higher. You have at least 2 GB of free storage and you are also connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Now, launch open your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Mortal Kombat and search. From the search results, look for the Mortal Kombat, a fighting game from Warner Bros. International Enterprises. Now, tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your Android. Wait while the game downloads and installs automatically. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After the installation is completed, tap on the play button to play the game. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed Mortal Kombat application on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.